Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and for today I have to review this Ctronics Wi-Fi smart video doorbell, and I can't wait to use it because we are having a problem with our door. Let me just show you. So this is our front door. We can see who is at the door, so this is not that safe to open the door. Here is our second door where only you can see maybe a little bit of the person, but you don't know who is. So okay, let's start unboxing. So we got this from Amazon to review. We are super excited to open it and test it because you can also see the person who is at your door on your smartphone. So that's so cool, right? Okay, product name and everything you need to know is here. Maybe you can pause this and read everything if you are interested. If not, I'm going to put that down in the description, plus the purchase link if you want to get it. Okay, so here is the first look. Revealing. Quick start guide. Here you can see all that is in the box. Here we have a thank you card. And this is the doorbell right here. Really good and protected. Okay, so let's take this out. Here is the speaker. Okay. Here on the back we have a reset button, USB port, and I think this is a LED indicator. Right here I think we have the USB cable and maybe the screw and the tools that we need to install. So let's take out the camera. Okay, remove before use. I think this is going to be the security screw. This is how you put it on the wall. We have a microphone here. Here we have the camera. I think it's 2 megapixels. And here is the motion sensor. And here we have the speaker and the doorbell button. Okay, I think it's easy to push it a little bit on the back. Okay, so inside here I think we already have 2 rechargeable batteries. So if you open this part here, we have the reset button and the charging port. Okay, so here we have everything we need to install the camera. This is definitely going to be my husband's part. I'm going to install the app and show you guys how it will work. We have 2 large batteries. Okay, so first you need to remove this isolation. So we have an SD card slot here. Okay, let's see the SD card. It's 32 gigabytes. Insert the micro SD back, and it already shows how to put correctly the batteries. And we are going to put this back. Okay, so first we need to charge the batteries before we are going to install this. So because I'm using my actual phone, I'm going to install this on another phone. And let's see. We need to install this app first, and I'm going to fast forward everything. Let's open it and see. Allow. Okay, so I think I should sign up. Okay, let's add a device. Now click on doorbell.
Power on the device.
I think we need to press the doorbell.
Press the bell button and tap next. Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red.
Okay, so we have the reset button, then hold for a few seconds.
Select the Wi-Fi network you want to sync with. Please choose a 2.4G network, then enter your network password. Tap next to show your QR code, then hold the code in front of the camera lens at a distance of 5 to 8 inches.
Next.
Please wait a moment.
Okay, so now we have the blue light here. It's not red anymore, so that means we have connected it. Okay, so I think this is the live. I'm not sure. Let's see.
Put camera and phone in the place of camera installation. Press next to enter network diagnostic.
Okay, so we are outside. We need to test the Wi-Fi connection. Oh my gosh, the clarity is really good. Okay, so it's going to be like up here, and we are going to see the staircase. The signal is good. Okay, we are definitely going to use an angle mount bracket. Perfect, so let's go inside and see. We can put it like that, and we are going to have a live footage. I'm going to go outside and press the doorbell and see if this is going to ring now. That's how it's showing on the phone. Allow Cloudege to record audio. Allow. We have a visitor. Let's answer. Hello?
Hi, how are you, Mommy?
Oh, cool. The sound is actually really good. Can you see me, Tanya?
Yeah?
Okay, let's give a little bit of volume.
I can hear you, Mommy.
Cool. And what's with the mic button here? Okay, so if you press here, she is muted now. And if I press here, now I'm muted. Okay, so now I'm going to push intercom. Hello? Okay, so let's see the motion detection. Motion detection. Okay, let's see if I'm going to get the notification. Hey, you received an alarm message. Motion detection. Oh, look, he saw Tanya. That's so cool. Let's see if we play. Or no, it's just like a picture. Okay, so if you want to stop this, then you need to press motion detection and turn it off. Here is the history. Something happened right here.
I am outside.
Oh, and you can see the hour. Cool. I turned out this. So I have turned off the phone and I want to pair this to the doorbell. Now let's see on the instructions. It needs to be reset. Okay, now it's flashing and I need to press, I think, the doorbell. Hey, it's working. Good, and the phone is actually turned off. So if you don't have battery on your phone, then the normal doorbell is going to work, but without the video. Okay, so I went in the opposite corner of the apartment. Now let's see if the doorbell is going to work. Tanya, push it. That's really cool. The signal is really awesome. Oh, look, and you can also turn it. This is the nameplate holder. So we can put it here or at the bottom. This one has a protective film on, so it's not scratched like that. Okay, so now we only need to install it on the wall. Okay, so we have installed the doorbell, and now I'm awaiting for Tanya to ring the doorbell and see if the motion detector will detect her first. Okay, so yes. Hello. Okay, so Tanya, you are a little bit too small. I can see only the top of your head. Yeah. So on the app we can see how well is our Wi-Fi connection and how much battery we still have. Okay, so I think this is really important that you have the screenshot option. So if you suspect somebody is at your door and you don't know him, just tap the screenshot here and you will have automatically the screenshot saved and the date and the hour and everything. So let's say Tanya is watching TV and someone is at the door.
Hi, Daddy.
Okay, now let's see how Tanya is going to react when we are calling her.
Hi, I'm here.
Hi, it's mommy. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, let me in. Okay, so this was pretty much it. I'm really happy with the installation and the sensors, and the audio is really good, and I also love how it looks. It looks really good and really clear. I must say I still have a single test to do on night. I will put that at the end of the video. Okay, so this was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe with the bell, and we will see you soon. Bye. Okay, so Daddy is coming up the stairs. Let's see how it will see. Boo!
What are you doing, Daddy? What?